The Dead Sea is a very special place indeed. It's quite unlike any other sea on our planet Earth. Its name might sound a little bit melancholic. Dead suggests that no large fish swim in its waters, and that is true for the most part, but it is teeming with amazing natural features and microscopic life. This ancient body of water is truly remarkable in every aspect. It has fascinated humans, drawing them to its shores for many, many years. A true marvel of the natural world, holding countless stories. It is a place of extremes and great beauty. Where is this incredible salty sea actually found? It rests quietly at the very lowest point on Earth's land surface. Imagine, if you will, a deep, significant dip in the ground. That is precisely where the Dead Sea makes its home. It is nestled carefully between two neighboring countries. The nation of Israel lies to its western shores. The Hashemite kingdom of Jordan is situated to its east. This entire region is part of the vast Great Rift Valley, a long, impressive trench that scars the Earth's ancient crust. The Jordan River is its primary and historically most important water source. This famous river flows steadily down from the hills in the north. It brings what was once a plentiful supply of fresh water to this salty basin. But today, a great deal of the Jordan River's water is diverted by people. It is used for farming and for drinking, essential for life here. This diversion significantly affects the Dead Sea's overall water level. The sea itself has no rivers flowing out from it, no escape route for its waters. Water only ever leaves this basin by turning into vapor through evaporation. This constant process of evaporation is incredibly important for its character. It is the key reason why the sea has become so extraordinarily salty. Let us try to picture ourselves standing peacefully by its unique shores. The air around often feels surprisingly warm and can be very still. Bright sunlight invariably shines down, illuminating the water's surface. The water itself can look just like a giant shimmering mirror. It reflects the stark, beautiful desert hills that rise all around it. You might also notice patches of brilliant white salt crystals. These formations often cover the rocks and the edges of the shoreline. It is a location that feels truly ancient, steeped in history, a landscape of dramatic, stark, and utterly unique natural beauty. The Dead Sea is renowned across the globe for one particular feature. Its water contains an incredibly high concentration of salt. It is, in fact, nearly 10 times saltier than most of the world's oceans. But why has it become so intensely salty over the ages? The reason lies in its geography. Water flows in, but it does not flow out. Rivers, like the Jordan, carry tiny dissolved particles of salt known as minerals. As the sun warms the water, pure water evaporates, but the salts are left behind. Over many thousands of slow, patient years, these salts have steadily built up. This long process creates very dense, heavy water, unlike any other. This super salty, dense water has a truly magical and well-known effect. It makes objects, and indeed people, float with remarkable ease. Individuals can recline comfortably on their backs. In the Dead Sea's water, they will not sink down beneath the surface, not even a little. It is said you could even relax and read a newspaper while floating effortlessly. This provides a very strange, almost surreal, and wonderfully fun feeling. It is certainly not like swimming in any other lake or ocean on Earth. A genuinely unique and memorable experience for everyone who visits its shores. The high concentration of salt effectively holds you gently up on the surface. The entire Dead Sea region is absolutely brimming with profound history. This unique body of water is mentioned in many very old stories. It even features in some of the world's most ancient religious books. For many centuries, it provided a source of valuable natural resources. One such resource was a black, sticky substance known as asphalt, or bitumen. The ancient Egyptians famously used this material for the mummification of their pharaohs. It was also, throughout history, a quiet and often isolated place of refuge. People would come to this dramatic landscape seeking peace and solitude. It is a land that carefully guards many ancient secrets within its shores. Close to its distinctive northwestern shores, a truly momentous discovery was once made. A collection of ancient scrolls was found, carefully hidden away inside dark caves. These precious documents are now famously known as the Dead Sea Scrolls. They are incredibly old Jewish writings dating back over 2,000 years. These delicate texts tell us a great deal about life and beliefs in the distant past. They are considered to be of immense importance for our understanding of history, and they also shed light on the development of ancient religious beliefs. The Dead Sea, through its resources and its mystique, has shaped many cultures. Its powerful, silent presence is deeply felt throughout this historic region. The Dead Sea is often described as being like a vast natural health spa. Its unique water and the dark, rich mud found along its banks are very special. They are absolutely full of a wide variety of beneficial minerals. People journey here from every single corner of the globe seeking relief. They come hoping to find help and healing for their skin. Common skin conditions such as psoriasis and eczema can often show improvement here. The beneficial minerals are thought to be absorbed gently through the skin. Elements like magnesium, bromide, potassium, and calcium are particularly plentiful. It has become a renowned healing place for many thousands of hopeful visitors. The very air in this low-lying region is also considered to be quite special. We must remember this is the lowest exposed point of the land on Earth. Because of this, the atmospheric air pressure here is naturally higher. This in turn means there is a slightly greater concentration of oxygen to breathe. The quality of the sunlight reaching the Dead Sea is different too. The thicker blanket of atmosphere above filters out some harmful ultraviolet sun rays. This can make sunbathing, when done carefully, a little bit safer than elsewhere. It is also believed to assist with the skin treatments offered here. A truly unique and remarkable combination of natural therapeutic elements, but this wonderful, unique sea, a treasure of nature, is in grave trouble. It faces some very serious and complex environmental problems in modern times. The single biggest, most visible problem is that the sea itself is shrinking. Its overall water level has been observed to be going down at an alarming rate. It is receding by more than 1 meter, which is over 3 feet every single year. This dramatic shrinkage happens primarily because less fresh water now flows into it. The Jordan River, its traditional lifeline, brings far less water than it once did. This is a major, critical concern for the long-term future of the Dead Sea. This precious natural wonder is slowly disappearing right before our very eyes. As the Dead Sea continues to shrink, another serious issue tragically appears. Large, dangerous holes can suddenly form in the ground near the receding shoreline. These alarming formations are widely known as sinkholes, and they can be very large. They occur when fresh groundwater moving underground meets and dissolves ancient salt deposits. The salt dissolves away, creating hidden caverns, and then the ground above collapses. These unpredictable sinkholes can cause significant damage to roads, hotels, and other buildings. They are a very clear and dramatic visual sign of the enormous environmental stress. The Dead Sea and its delicate ecosystem are undeniably at significant risk. People, including scientists and governments, are actively trying to find effective ways to help. There is a growing recognition of the urgent need for action. One very ambitious idea that has been discussed for some time is a canal. The concept involves constructing a large pipeline to bring seawater from the Red Sea. This massive undertaking is often referred to as the Red Sea, Dead Sea Water Conveyance Project. It is hoped that this could help to replenish the Dead Sea's dwindling water levels. However, such enormous engineering projects are always exceptionally complex and challenging. They require incredibly careful environmental impact studies and meticulous planning. And of course, they can also be extraordinarily expensive to implement successfully. To have any real chance of saving the Dead Sea, countries must work closely together. The nations of Israel and Jordan both share its historic shores and its fate. Fresh water is an incredibly precious and scarce resource in this arid part of the world. Therefore, all parties need to agree on sustainable and equitable solutions. One vital step is to find ways to use less water from the Jordan River. Farmers in the region can be encouraged to adopt more water-efficient irrigation techniques. Telling the wider world about the serious problems facing the Dead Sea is also key. Greater global awareness can help to build support for vital conservation initiatives. Close cooperation and shared vision are truly the only viable way forward. Each one of us in our own way can play a small part in this effort. Simply learning more about the Dead Sea and its situation is a good start. Understanding the complex environmental problems it faces helps us to care more deeply. Supporting sustainable and environmentally friendly tourism practices can also make a difference. The Dead Sea is not just a local issue, it truly belongs to everyone. It is a unique and irreplaceable natural and historical treasure of our world. Losing such a wonder would be an immense and profound tragedy for all. We must encourage and support new, innovative ideas designed to save it. Protecting the precious diversity of nature is a responsibility we all share. The Dead Sea is, without any doubt, an utterly amazing natural phenomenon. It stands as a powerful testament to the Earth's incredible creativity and diversity. Its intensely salty embrace offers an experience found nowhere else on our planet. Its history is incredibly deep, ancient, and rich with human stories. But today, this unique environment is extremely fragile and under severe threat. Without concerted, dedicated, and urgent help, it could diminish further or even vanish. Let us all resolve to work together to protect it now and always, so that future generations of people can also marvel at its unique beauty. The critical time to act to preserve this salty jewel is right now.